Hello and thank you for watching my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to do a blower motor replacement on a 1998 to 2011 Ford Crown Victoria. Our first step is to check and see if the blower motor is getting power using a test light. Then turn the vehicle's key to the on position and fan speed on high. Then, using the test light, check the electrical connector to see if it's getting power. If you aren't getting power to the blower motor, I would stop and check the fuse. Since ours is getting power, I'm going to remove the 4 mounting hardware screws and disconnect the cooling hose to replace the blower motor. Next, install the new blower motor unit to the vehicle, using the 4 hardware screws from before, then reattach the cooling hose and the electrical connector. After you are finished with your install, turn the key to the on position and the fan speed on high to make sure you did a proper install. Doing your own repairs can save you money and enlighten you on the operation of your vehicle. For more videos like these, please click the subscribe button.